Hey, Mary.
So this is one of my absolute favorite tips for sustainability, quick tips. It's important to keep your sink clean, and if it gets clogged, a lot of people will put some sort of toxic grease cleaner, hair cleaner in
Drano, liquid plumber, Drano.
So don't do that. Get this. This is like a zip.
Let me see that.
It's called Zip It, and it's got little teeth on it. And all you do is you stick it down into the
Sink.
and pull it out. We've already cleaned. Well, this one's been cleaned by somebody else. It's not really bad.
No, we've seen lots of stuff. It looks like a mice coming out sometimes. There's so much hair.
Clean it out.
You have to. Don't you have to twist it around in there?
Only if it's got a lot of stuff in it.
Okay.
Let's try the tub and see what happens with the tub.
Okay.
All right, let's see what we can get in the tub. You do have to sort of work it around to get the right. Oh, check this out.
You need gloves.
Now, I probably should have gloves. But
We have soap. You can wash your hands really good.
But this, well, I think this has been cleaned pretty good. So, no goo and goopy stuff, but I like it when the goopy stuff comes out.
Huh.
It's a great cleaner.
Great. All right.
Not toxic and can be used forever.